Hi there and welcome to my channel. My name is Irfan and I'm here with very interesting and tricky math Olympiad question for you guys. I hope you're gonna like it. So I suggest you to pause the video and give it a shot and see whether you can get the right answer. All right, let's go ahead and read the question together. How many three-digit numbers are there that are equal to 5 times the product of their digits? So as you can see, we have to basically scan through 900 numbers because that's the number of three digits that exist and see which one has this property. Well, there are two approaches you can use here. One is the very tough conventional way, which call those digits like ABC and go through them by trial and error. And I do not suggest that, even though you might get to the correct answer in the end. But don't forget, this is a math Olympiad question. So there must be a faster way, and with good reasoning and good strategy, we should be able to answer it in quite short period of time. All right, so what I'm gonna do, since they say the product of all these, the product of all those three digits and 5 should be that digit. So that means the digit I'm looking for should be divisible by 5 because I'm going to multiply it by 5 in the end. The numbers that are divisible by 5, they end either with 0 or 5. And right away, I'm going to take this idea for this digit to end with 0 out of the equation, because if it ends with 0 and I got two other digits, for example 1 and 3, when you multiply them, when you multiply anything to 0, eventually you get 0, and that doesn't make sense. So it must end with 5. And then with same reasoning, I'm going to cross out a bunch of other digits, such as the even ones, 2, 6, and 8. Why am I doing that? Because again, if any of my digits are 2, 6, and 8, when I multiply it by 5, I end up with a number that ends with 0. And then when I multiply that again, my total digit would end with 0, which conflicts with what I just said earlier. The number should end with digit 5. So those are out of the equation as well. So that means my answer choices are now down to 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. These are the numbers that I can choose. And basically there is a combination of 25 if I include and accept repetition. However, things like 115, it's very obvious that it can be, so don't waste your time on dealing with numbers that are very small. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with maybe 155, 175, and 195, and you just go back and then start with 315 and you work your way till the end. However, we're lucky because as soon as you get to the second number, you realize this is what I'm looking for, because when I multiply all the digits and then multiply it by 5, I get 25 times 7, which is nothing but 175. And there is only one number that exists with such properties. So I'm just going to go with answer choice A. I hope you guys got the same answer, and I hope you enjoyed the video as well. Let me know if you got to the same answer with other methods, and you can leave it in the comment. Thank you, and see you guys tomorrow.